they're saying we will not move ahead without an independent regulatory. So ang number one step pong dapat gawin ni Presidente, mag-appoint na ng Director General for PhilAttom so that we will have an independent regulatory.
Yeah. Don't worry.
It's extremely important to have that po.
Huling tanong, Doktor, no? Anong status
Opo.
ngayon ng fusion power? Ano ine-explore ngayon ito ng several countries eh? Merong mga working models na pero hindi pa to talaga marketable. Pero di ba mas safer siya, mas malaki yung energy na napoproduce? Nga pala, para sa ating tingkapakinig, yung nuclear fission na ginagamit ngayon ng nuclear plants natin around the world ay paghahati ng splitting the atoms, heavy atoms. Yung nuclear fusion ay pag-combine ng light atoms. So, medyo makaiba yung sistema nila. Ano bang status niyan? In the next decade or so ba? Pwede na yan? Is that workable?
Yeah, okay. What's happened with fusion research? A lot has happened. Kasi to create fusion, you need a lot of energy first, you know. Kasi you need to create very high temperatures for fusion to happen. The one problem with fusion is this: the temperature of the fused material is extremely high, millions of degrees. The big problem is how to contain it. Once you can contain it, then you'll be able to use it. But hindi pa po, we're not at that level yet, no? So hindi pa siya makakakuha ng kuryente. Meron na siyang net energy coming from it, but it will be a material science challenge. So I will see that maybe in the next 10, 15 years. But I'll tell you something that's happening right now. Microsoft's Terra molten salt reactor inapproved na ng US NRC. Okay? Yung matagal nang gustong gawin niya ni Bill Gates, no? So all of those guys nag-aagawan. Yung dating 3 Mile Island po na reactor, isa lang nasira, yung iba tinayanggan nila. They are reviving it, and it's going to provide electricity for the AI companies. So the AI companies, Amazon, all of those guys, are really funding research, including fusion. So kung sinong mauna makagawa, yun po yung ano.
Yeah.
And then one last item po, ma'am. The sun is running on fusion. Sabi ko nga, solar is nuclear energy, but fusion, malayo lang siya.